Hi, today I'm running T-MOBILE Revvl 6 and I'll show you how to find and manage sound settings on this device. So first let's open the settings application and then scroll to the sound section. Here we can see media, call, ring and notifications and alarm volume panels. So just to change the volumes we should hold and swipe to the left or to the right side these white dots. If you want to set the don't disturb mode, we should just use this button. So just to turn it on, click turn on now, turn off now. So we can also allow the calls, notifications, SMS, alarms from just anyone, someone, just the favorite contacts. If you want to set the schedule for the don't disturb mode, just you can do it by this way. So we can set the start and the end time. If you want to use the duration for quick settings, you can make it here, and to display options for hidden notifications, you can also change the settings in this section. So let's go back. If you want to change the home phone ringtone, notification and alarm sounds, you just should click here and select one from the available sounds which you will like. Also we can here use the media settings, so we can pin media player on to show media recommendations if you want. And in other sound settings we can change and turn on or turn off the dial pad tone, screen lock and lock sounds, charge and sounds and vibration, touch sounds, touch vibration. So just to turn on or turn off these options we should use the switchers. And in sound attachments you can use the volume booster for speaker and to use the hi-fi mode. So that's it, that's all of the sound settings on our T-MOBILE Revvl 6. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.